Today we are going to show you how to make chicken with mustard green salad.
If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon, then let's see together. Thank you.
Mustard greens. Health and benefits of mustard green. Modern research supports mustard green rich nutritional content. They have got more vitamin A than spinach, and more vitamin C than oranges. While studies don't acknowledge all of its traditional uses, they suggest that greens can bring a number of health benefits. Now our chicken is cooked.
Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.